Welcome back to another vlog. I am Tish. I'm a wife, mom, career professional, and a lady over 40 trying to do all of the things and all of the things well. Here on my channel, I share lifestyle, I share etiquette tips because that's what I love to do. And I like to just take you along with me on my daily rendezvous of work and life. I also love to share my outfits of the day just to inspire you to be your best in every room that you enter, and to get up, girlfriend, and get dressed. Get dressed, not for the job that you have, but the job that you desire. This vlog is like many others that I do, so I'm going to stay on brand. It's going to be all over the place. I got up this morning, and today is Saturday, and it is Saturday, and I had to, well, I don't like to use that as if I was forced, but I spoke to my sororities. There was a leadership retreat today, and I was one of the panelists or presenters. I was one of the presenters, and this entire week has been filled with speaking, whether it was at local colleges, city. Several opportunities came up for me to speak on not just dining etiquette, but networking etiquette, leadership etiquette. And y'all, when I tell you that I knew that this was something that I was skilled in, that's one thing, but to be extremely passionate about it to where I don't feel like I'm forcing myself to teach and train people in the areas of leadership etiquette and executive presence. I absolutely love it. And the imposter syndrome doesn't it doesn't knock at my door. Not saying that I'm perfect and I'm just the expert, but when I'm training, it comes from such a different place, because what I know, I share. What I don't know, I learn so that I can share. And the spirit of comparison, and it could just be age. It could just be me getting older and not focusing on, what other people are doing versus what I need to be doing to do my work. But y'all, today, that's what I did in the first half of the day, and my youngest daughter had a volleyball tournament. I was hoping that I could finish the retreat so that I can make it to see her play, because the girlfriend loves volleyball and she's doing so well. But the good thing is my husband was able to be there with her, and my bonus son and my oldest daughter, they're there. Now I'm traveling on the road because I was still planning to meet up with them, and we're going to eat my favorite casual restaurant outside of seafood is Texas Roadhouse. So my husband called and said, just come on up here. We will we'll eat lunch with the kids. Of course they love that. Even the oldest, he is 25, 26. He's a grown man. He loves when we say, hey, let's go eat. He says that's when he doesn't have to be a man. He can be a kid and be treated as such because we're paying for the meal. So I'm looking forward to going up there for that. And I don't have anywhere else to go today. I've been sitting here thinking, oh, what stores can I go to? But I don't need anything. I don't really want anything. The things that I don't want anything. I don't need anything. So we're going to eat lunch. My husband has a few places to go. Probably Sam's is going to be one of those spots. I can't take you along with me in Sam's if you like, but it's just going to be a casual day. We need this day to not be forced and push us out of comfort zones, because with the family tragedy that we just experienced, we need just a free-flowing day. 4 minutes into this thing, girlfriend, and I've been talking to you. How has your week been? I hope very well. I hope that you accomplished something that you were set out to accomplish. And I love that you're here. So I'll talk to you in just a moment. I failed you in the last two clips. I only captured what I captured, and I'll put in what I have. But yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. We are going to church. Our church holds our church used to have this grand production called The Book of Life, and it has been on hold for years. Now they have revived it and now reintroducing it back to the area, and the play is today instead of church service. So that's what we're getting ready to do. This week is going to be a tough one as we get ready for my mother-in-law's funeral services. So we're trying to get our minds right, get the home together, and make sure we have everything that we need in addition to everyday life. Today is Sunday. We're going to church. We're maybe going to Sam's Club because I don't think I took you the last time. But let me show you my outfit for the day. This sweater is Banana Republic. I just added some zhuzh to it with these pearls, my everyday earrings, everyday jewelry, and the pants. These denim wide leg pants I love. The only thing I guess they're high-waisted because they are really high-waisted. It's where I can't even tuck anything in. They're so long on me. And then the boot. Can you stay up? I hope you're able to see that. I was standing back there and the lighting is just not good in my original spot. But yeah, that's what the plan is for today. I have not been in my planner all week long. There's a ton of things running through my head, but it gets overwhelming when it's just in my head. My habit of practice, or my practice, is download everything and assign it to days. That way I can see it, know what I'm supposed to do, and something else won't take control of the current action. So I really need to get that done because I'm feeling overwhelmed, and this month it has moved so fast. Like, we're at the end of October, and I remember just entering October, and this month for me has been filled with, what I say, devastation, disappointment. Let me say disappointment, hurt, confusion, blessings, renewal, extreme sadness, and did I say confusion? Chaos. All in the month of October. Great things, bad things, new things, happy things. What are you showing me, God? Whatever it is, I'm here to listen. All right, we're headed to church. I do want to show you my birthday flowers before they die, but my good girlfriends, we always send each other flowers for our birthdays, and this is my round. Aren't these gorgeous? I really do love these, and I wish that they were fake so I could keep them forever. But they went with my colors, pink and green. I love these, y'all. And then a birthday before, they got this pink and green bowl made. It's a local artist. His name is James Hayes, and he does hand blown glass art. So I keep it here in my walkway, and these flowers were perfect next to it. I love it. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. Ready for the plane. Do you ever go to one in